Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if the Alt and the Tab key shortcut is not working properly on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to right click on the taskbar. And then next step ay kailangan mo select dito yung Task Manager. So click mo lang siya. And then dito sa Task Manager, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate yung Windows Explorer. Okay, so ito siya. So select mo lang siya and right click. And then select mo lang dito yung Restart. So click mo lang yung Restart. Ayan. So once na-click mo na yung Restart, so close lang natin. And then kailangan lang natin dito mag-restart. So dito sa Start menu and then click mo lang dito yung Restart. Okay, so if the problem still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin, so dito lang ulit sa search menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung registry editor. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click, and then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. Okay, so before you proceed in the registry, so I would suggest you to create a backup file. So if anything go wrong, you could easily restore it back in order to create a backup. So it's very simple. All you have to do is to select file. So dito lang sa taas ay kailangan mo nang select dito yung file. And then select mo lang dito yung export. And then dito sa export registry file, so select mo lang dito kung saan mo isi-save yung file. And then dito naman sa pag-create ng file name, so I would suggest and recommended na kailangan mong ilagay yung date. So yung file name with date, and then click mo lang dito yung save. Okay, so and if you needed to import it back, so it's very simple lang. So dito lang ulit sa taas, select mo lang dito yung file, and then select mo lang dito yung import. And then dito sa import registry file, so ilocate mo lang kung saan mo sinave yung file, and then click mo lang dito yung open. Alright, so proceed na tayo. So, ang next step ay dito lang sa computer ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung HK current user. Dito siya. So, kailangan mo na mag-double click. And then dito sa HK current user, ang next step ay select mo lang dito yung software. So, kailangan mo ulit mag-double click. And then dito sa software, ang next step ay i-locate natin yung Microsoft. Okay, ito siya. So, kailangan mo ulit mag-double click. And then dito sa Microsoft, ang next step ay i-locate natin yung Windows. Okay? So dito sa Windows, mag-double click ulit dito. And then dito sa Windows, ang next step ay select mo lang dito yung current versions. So dito sa current versions, mag-double click ka ulit. And then dito sa current versions, ang next step ay i-locate natin dito yung Explorer. Okay? So scroll down and then ito na siya. So once nakita mo na tong Explorer, so i-click mo lang siya, huwag kang magdo-double click. And then dito sa right side, makikita mo dito yung kanyang settings. So ang next step na ating gagawin dito ay i-locate mo lang yung Alt-Tab settings. Okay? So nandito yung Alt-Tab settings, yung pinakauna. Kung hindi naman, pag walang Alt-Tab settings dito ay kailangan natin mag-create. So in order to create, so napakasimple lang, dito lang sa empty space, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung new. And then select mo lang dito yung DWORD 32-bit value. And then next ay kailangan mo lang dito rename. Alright? So ilalagay mo lang dito yung Alt-Tab settings. And then next ay kailangan na natin itong i-modify. Alright? So select lang natin dito yung Alt-Tab settings. And then kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And then click mo lang dito yung modify. And then next step ay pop-up itong kanyang edit 32-bit value. So dito sa value data ay i-remove mo yung 0 and then i-replace mo or set mo siya sa number 1. And then dito sa base ay select mo lang dito yung hexadecimal and then click mo lang dito yung okay. So click mo lang okay. And then pagkatapos ay kailangan lang natin close. So mag-back tayo. So back natin and then close natin tong registry editor. And then dito lang sa search menu and then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung device manager. So, click mo lang dito yung open. So, dito sa device manager, ang next step ay i-select mo lang dito yung keyboard. Ito siya. So, dito, i-click mo lang tong arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-update tong kanyang drivers. Alright, so select mo lang tong keyboard device. So select and then right click and then select mo lang dito yung update drivers. And then pop up tong dalawang options na search automatically for drivers or browse my computer. So select ka lang dito sa dalawa. And then select lang natin tong search automatically and then tap lang natin yan. And then automatic mga kaibigan that the best drivers for your device are already installed. And then next step ay close lang natin. And then dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. So click mo lang tong restart. Okay, so ganun lang po ka-simply on how to fix Alt plus Tab shortcut not working in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.